Yeah.
So it's exciting to see that come together. Yeah, so one thing that we spend a lot of time here coaching is, of course, about programming concepts. Something that is maybe not as classically associated with programming or computer science, maybe as public speaking. But in the modern market, with so many tech talks and conferences, I think public speaking is becoming more and more required job skill for this market. So our next group aimed to improve all of us at that, and let's give them a listen.
All those things override a guilt by association.
I want everyone just to love him. I just don't get why she's being so hard-headed about it.
Why do you still have pictures of me and my ex here?
I don't want to hear like. I want you to take like out of the dictionary.
Hi, my name is Micah. These are my teammates Whit, Sarah, and Danny. We are the creators of speakr, your personal speech coach. Are you preparing for a presentation or want to work on your everyday communication? speakr analyzes your clarity, pace, and filler word usage. We also provide a thesaurus that offers you other suggestions or alternatives for words that you use too often. As a user, you log in and are directed to our record screen. When you finish recording, you press Analyze to send your audio to our server. There, in a moment, you'll be directed to a report screen where you'll be able to replay our report.
So, 87 years ago, some guys made a country.
You can also view your transcript and see synonyms for any given word just by clicking on it. Return to your report screen and you'll find we will display statistics about your speech. If you return to your profile, we automatically save your audio where you can edit it or delete it. Here's Whit.
So I think we all know this is obviously the best app anyone has ever seen. But we did run into some interesting complications bringing it all together. We bootstrapped our app's front end using Create React Native app, which sets up an Expo boilerplate. This was a bit of a double-edged sword. It's great because it makes building and publishing mobile apps really easy. However, Expo is a restrictive environment. It's incompatible with native code dependencies, which would have made it very easy to just stream audio directly from your mobile device. Because of this restriction, what happens when a user hits Analyze is somewhat complicated. Behind the scenes, we're sending your audio files to both Amazon S3 and IBM Watson speech-to-text. Because Expo makes it difficult to work with large binary files, we send this information to our own Express server, which handles the API calls. Sarah, tell us how.
To send audio from our server to IBM Watson, we use multer, a storage engine that handles multi-part form data. However, Watson creates a new transcript every time a speaker pauses for longer than half a second, so what we receive back is a deeply nested object containing an array of several transcripts, in addition to a confidence score for each transcript representing how well Watson heard the user speak. To make this data usable, we developed an algorithm that creates a single transcript from the array of transcripts and also calculates a single weighted confidence score based on the length of each transcript. If our weighted confidence is below 85%, we send an error response to our client, which then prompts the user to re-record their speech. If we're confident in the transcription, our server-side code analyzes the complete transcript to count ums, likes, and pacing, and stores these statistics in our local database. We also flag certain words and phrases that are considered bad convention in public speaking, such as actually or just, in red. And here's Danny.
Thanks, Sarah. Finally, the transcript feature uses another simple package that loads the source into device RAM within our app, so lookup time is instant. In the future, we hope to add data visualization so that you can track your progress over time. This was speakr, and we hope you liked it. If you want to check us out, download the Expo app and scan the QR code above. Thank you for your time.
If you who would like to vote for a speaker, like the post, like their pinned comment. I could definitely tell that team had used their app because they all spoke very eloquently and not one filler word the whole time. So that was quite impressive.
Okay, well, no, I wasn't even tracking that, but that's good to know. Yeah, I think it's actually a really nice way for people to get better without having friends who also know, or just having friends in general. Yeah.
I know, I feel so self-conscious right now because I don't want to say any likes or ums or hovers, but I do like the app. I do like the voice recognition to get the likes and actually I think that's something that's actually possible, whereas the others are harder, but it's a great way to get started on something that helps people improve right away.
Yeah.
And even handling messy data that you get back from an API where now you have to sort it, and it's not always clear exactly how to combine those results. I think they did a bang-up job.
Yeah, very cool.